Hello everyone, in front of me is Infinix HOT 40 Pro, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings, then find and select System, and click on Backup to Google Drive. To activate it, you need to sign in with your account. To do it, just tap on Next, and click on Add Account. Provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is a Google account. And once you provide the login, tap on Next. Here, provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on Next. Here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and Privacy Policy just by tapping on the links. And then mark I agree. Tap on More, Accept. And that's it. As you can see, your account is added and your backup is active. Just click on Backup Now to do it right now. And if you will not do it right now, your device will back up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.